Hey YouTube, it's your boy Domlace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate all the love that you gave my two last videos for St. Patrick's Day, aka your boy's birthday. Thank you again, guys. They're still up. Still look at them. Still leave comments. And please tag Dommy Squad so that I can see all the recreations of that green inspirational look of St. Patrick's Day. So that look literally to like what's perfectly blended, so I'm gonna try to do that again, but today with a cotton candy fun aspect look of it. Again, guys, thank you again for the love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell. Once you hear that bell go ding, you will get notified as soon as my videos are posted. Okay, now let's get into today's video. Love you. Now guys, let's get this crusty face in order. Yes, I'm going natural. You guys have been doing that for a while with my hair. Anywho, so let's go ahead and tell you what the palettes I'm going to use. So today I'm going to be using the Festival palette from Juvia'S place. Oh, and you know why? Because it has that beautiful pink right there. Ooh. Then I'll be using the Magic palette, and I think the reason I'm going to use the Magic palette is because it has like a beautiful shimmers in it that remind me of cotton candy. Then I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette that I used before on my channel. I love this palette, and I think I'm going to be using it for this turquoise like bluish shade right here. Like it looks very lighter on camera, but like in person it's like a true turquoise. Like that's so pretty. Then I'm going to be going into the DOMMY palette right here from Juvia'S place. Oh, and like look at this green. I might end up using this right here, but I'm going to be using these two pinks in today's look, and maybe this one, but this one's not really a pink, but it might be good to like use as a blending it, so like blending, because like this video is gonna be about blending on this eye look. So yeah, and I'm going to be using the James Charles brush collection. I have a lot of them. I bought two brush kits, so yeah. And I also might end up digging into the James Charles palette, but you already got, oh, like you guys already know this is bomb, but like that purple shade, that shimmery shade right there is my favorite, and it literally went everywhere. So is the blue one. So yeah, unleash your inner artist. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to my command strips right here. We're going to use these today, and we're just going to like snatch that lid right. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Light Pale. Taking a damp beauty blender, and we're just going to blend that base out. Make sure we don't have any creases before we do this eye look. Now that you have a nice blank canvas, I'm going to jump in with the Morphe M506 brush right here. And I'm going to go into that teal shade that I showed you earlier, guys. And it's in the Zulu palette again, and it's right here. And then we're just going to put it like right into the crease. And that's pigmented. Like that is like literally one dip. Juvia'S is a wonderful brand. Like it's an indie brand, but now they're in Ulta. Alright, and then I'm gonna take my little beauty brush cleaner thing. I don't know where I got this from. I think I got it from Five Below, but don't judge me. Five Below be having it, girl. Them deals, everything being $5. Yes, ma'am. But now we're gonna jump into this dark purple in the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna use that first just to darken the bottom, like right here where my crease is, like right here. We're just gonna darken it up here, and then bring it out, and then just bring that purple in the lid like that. And I know purples are hard to make, but Juvia'S placed purple shadows, and like this is one of the main reasons why I got the Zulu palette at the time, was for this purple, and this purple is literally beautiful. Like you see, it didn't take that long to place. It went exactly where I want. It hardly had any fallout. And I'm using the same brush because I want you guys to know, even though I do have the big brush set, you can really use one brush for this look. And I'm going to be using others after I cut my crease and everything. But literally, this right here from Five and Below will clean your brushes. And like, look, where's the purple? Nowhere. And that's literally like a dark pigmented shade. So it should like stay on the brush, but it doesn't. So look at this pink. That pink right there, it's almost like a purple pink though. I think this one from the Festive palette, the Festival palette, would look really cute on top. On top, girl. And then we're just gonna blend it on the top right there. Like, do you see how colorful and playful that looks? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so interesting. I like how like that blue, like you guys can see, I like it's blue and then it has like the waves. Like that is so pretty. It looks really fun and whimsical, like very like, oh. And I'm trying to make it like very interesting and very quick for you guys because I know some people want to have intricate looks but at the end of the day don't have time for it. But I feel like if you just take your time and just know that you can just blend the colors together, you'll be really good. And when I cut my lid, like my wing shape that I want, that's gonna look so much better. Alright, now that we got the lid cut like that and really good and really sharp, now we're gonna go in and I think that we're gonna go light to dark just to make it look very interesting, you know? And I wanna use like the color scheme up here, you know? So I'm going to be using macaroon in this palette real quick and I'm gonna use this at the very end, And this is the M124 brush. Now we're gonna go in with, I think I'll do purple in the inner corner and just keep it like the pink right there. The really like popping pink that I have is in the Magic palette, which is like right here or right there. And I think I'm gonna use a darker one and then go over top with the lighter one. Start like that. So I'm gonna go into that. Let me spray the brush down for this. Like I said guys, these look difficult, but if you just put the time and practice, I promise you, you'll get better and better. And I still have a lot to learn, but this right here is pretty. Now we're about to go into this right here, that little purple shade right there. And we're gonna f it up. We're gonna f it up, I swear to you. That is so pretty, guys. Look at that. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let me go do the other off camera. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I just popped on a pair of lashes. These lashes are from Kiss. I used these lashes last time. However, this right lash, well, left to you but right to me, is not trying to stay lifted like this one. This one looks very beautiful. This one right here just doesn't want to go up. Like, girl, like curl, but we're gonna go ahead and go on with the look, but this look is really cute and really colorful. Like, I feel like I'm just blowing people away. Like, oh. Anywho, I'm gonna do my face makeup right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick eye look that I did.